I'm so excited to show you how to draw this really cute little angel. It's a very simple angel to draw, and I'll show you how to start. Start at the top and just make a U shape with an open top. It's a U, almost a circle, but it's just a U with open top. Then from the top, the hairline, you just make a U down and around and stop. Just that far, a U up and a U over and down. This is so simple. And then a little curve this way and up, and that's for the hair. And then a little loop up and a little loop up this way. And you already have the face and the hair. Then right in the middle, it's a little U for the nose, and then two more curved lines that look like U's, and another U for the eye, another U shape down for the other eye, and circle for the pupil. Kind of messed that up a little bit. Okay, there. And then the eyebrows and eyelashes, and then for the mouth is another U and two little U's for the side, and then just another curvy U for the neck and more U shapes for the collar, and then it's going to be a C shape from the collar on down this way, and another C shape from the collar, a backwards C shape down this way, and then stop with the opening. And then in the middle, just it's a line down, and then another line curved the other way, which is an upside down U, and then a little curve up, leave a space. It's so simple to make the sleeve, just a line this way to meet up, and then the sleeve opening is all the way straight down. And then you have the little opening down underneath the hands, and to split the hands in two, just put a line right down the middle. That is so simple and so fun to do. And then the dress just comes a line out from underneath the arms where the elbow is. And then just like we did for around the neck, we're going to draw for the bottom of the dress. And then for the wing, it's just C shapes or U shapes around, almost like a flower. And there we have a wing. And it's the same for the other side. And then for the halo, it's just a little oval and then a bigger oval around it. And then we could have the angel standing in some clouds, some fluffy clouds.
O come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. O come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. O come cry.